本当の僕らの挑戦は時間だっていうことを、僕らラピダスのエンジニア奇跡を起こしたなと。
I'm focused on advancing our 2-nanometer manufacturing process, which includes joint development between Rapidus and IBM. Because I had experience with joint ventures and worked extensively in R&D, I felt this role was a perfect fit for my experience. Roughly speaking, the first part of my role was to stand up the Rapidus manufacturing process based on IBM's 2-nanometer technology. Then we had to bring that developed technology back to Chitose and make it real. That was my mission for this 2-nanometer semiconductor development project. There are 3 things I tell them. First, I want them to be truly honest. No lying, ever. When I say honesty, I mean reporting data and results exactly as they are. Second is respect. We have to work with genuine respect for one another. This kind of development can't be done alone. And the third is perseverance. Success doesn't just come because you tried. It doesn't work that way. You have to keep going, really keep going until you make it work. I tell them that these 3 things are non-negotiable. And there's one more thing I reinforce. Of course, this technology is extremely difficult. It's not something that can be done easily. Our real enemy is time. Fighting against time. That is the true challenge for Rapidus. I make sure to share this knowledge with everyone when they arrive and take up their post in Albany. This is truly a joint development with IBM. It wasn't something we could complete on our own or within just one company. That's why we tried many different things when it came to team building. For example, we unified the team's name. Instead of Rapidus and IBM, we call ourselves Team Titans. That was our way of making it clear that we are on one team. The same went for the team structure. Rather than separating people into this is IBM and this is Rapidus, we mixed everyone together and worked as a single team. Before talking about Rapidus's engineers, I really want to thank all the partner companies who supported us. The construction company that built EAM1, the equipment manufacturers, the material suppliers, everyone worked with incredible ingenuity and speed. Without that support, this success would not have been possible. Within Rapidus, everyone worked hard. But I have especially deep admiration for the unit process and core technology teams. What they had to do was extremely demanding. On December 25th, 2024, the EUV equipment arrived, just like a Christmas present. From there, in only about 2.5 months, the team installed the equipment and prepared everything to start running lots by April 2025. With only a small number of people, they managed to install the tools, bring up the processes, and get everything running without a single major accident. Safety always came first, and even so, they moved at unbelievable speed. Being able to start running lots on April 1st was truly remarkable. If I had to name one thing, I would say the unit process members really accomplished something extraordinary. I honestly believe that our engineers at Rapidus made a miracle happen. But I've come to realize something very clearly. Miracles don't just happen, we make them happen. I believe this was possible because of the intense passion, the burning determination to make it work. That passion is now being conveyed through real results to everyone who supports us. And I want that to continue. With Rapidus at the center, I want that initial passion to spread to as many partners as possible, growing into a much bigger force. I want each person to grow into an engineer who takes ownership, who understands clearly what they should do. That's my hope. Or maybe it's better to say, let's do this together. Innovation often starts in a very simple way. It begins with one person thinking, wouldn't it be great if we could do this? People sometimes think innovation requires coming up with something huge and extraordinary. They overthink it. But in reality, it's the steady accumulation of small efforts that become the trigger for truly big innovation. When I look at it that way, we're not just developing technology, we're developing people. And honestly, that may be the most important thing in research and development.